Hello everyone, this is Donner and Hannah's puppies. Sweet babies. That's a silver male. As you can see, they're starting to get around. Hannah has two silver males and one blue female. Of course, all these guys are reserved. Going to go to some great homes here coming up in November. But just want to do a quick update with these guys, Donner and Hannah's puppies. And in the next couple weeks, we'll do the outside video with them probably, and do the different color collars for the two silvers. But we just wanted to give you an update. These guys were feeding, and Miss Hannah's taking great care of her babies. So we just wanted to check in with them and everything, and just show you Hannah and her sweet babies. But again, there's two silver males and one blue female, and the blue female is starting to peep out, and just so sweet. Stretch. But they're actually beginning to eat their puppy mush, and so they'll be growing fast here real soon. They've grown so much. And Hannah, like all of our adult moms, are just real nurturing and sweet. But these guys are going to be beautiful as well. That's the blue female, and then the two silver males. But we'll probably do an update possibly next weekend. And just wanted to show you how Donner and Hannah's babies are doing. Just sweet babies.